Now, we have plenty of tools to help you increase quality and stability and work on speed. I'm just going to give you a few teasers because we've gone kind of deep into each one of them. But if you've never seen them, you might want to browse our content catalog. I'm just going to give you a few teasers. And by the way, reach out if we can help you with any of them. Far too much here to cover everything in this short webinar, because each one is a webinar of its own. What you see here is an automated DevOps environment. This is basically the structure and flow of a pipeline implemented with the common Microsoft tools. And by the way, using Azure pipelines for build and source control versus using GitHub and GitHub Actions for build and source control, totally the same process, just a different tool. It's no different tool, but it's the same process. By the way, this is only the top third of the poster. It gives you in detail everything that you should have in every step. This is what the full poster looks like. If you'd like a copy of this, we have a high resolution copy. It's meant to be sent to a print shop and printed on 2 foot by 3 foot poster board paper and hung up on a wall, glossy finish, real nice. If you'd like a high resolution PDF of this, then just send me an email, or Johnny can help you out in the chat. But go ahead and request that. Also, we have specific guidance around how to manage your version control structure. There's specific ways that we recommend structuring Git repositories and the relationship between Git repositories when you have a system that's broken down into microservices or maybe just multiple applications. This structure is important to establishing quality at the system structure level. And there's some mistakes that people make that kind of hinders them down the road. And so that's a topic that you might want to look at as well. We also have guidance for individual Visual Studio solution structures. If your system is decomposed into multiple Git repositories, then each one of them has its own Visual Studio solution. Well, we have guidance around how your solution structure should be implemented. There's specific ways to handle references between projects and the allocation of library dependencies among projects so that you have proper separation of concerns and dependency management. Again, making some mistakes there can hurt you down the road. And when I say down the road pretty quickly. It's not like it takes years for that to catch up. It catches up with us pretty quick. We also have guidance around private builds and continuous integration builds. They have to be done in a certain way to bring the value that you're looking for. So we have guidance on that. And we also have PowerShell automated build templates. You don't have to build these from scratch. And whether it's GitHub Actions or Azure Pipelines, the built-in templates do not do what you need to do. They're basically a glorified compile statement. You don't go with the out of the box. You need to have things done a certain way. So we can help you out with that. Now, finally, and we'll get to some questions. Finally, we have tons of success stories. Here's 3 of them on the screen. We love to see our clients have a fully empowered and effective software team. And we want you to be world-class at delivering software. We believe that when equipped with a complete professional work environment and strategically determined process, that you'll truly become world-class. We hear of teams that move fast and do good things at the big companies like Google and Microsoft and others. But any of your teams can be just as effective when equipped properly. They can. We really believe that.